Hey guys, what's going on? It's Ryan here with U-Haul, and today we're going to show you how to install a hitch on your Ford Fusion. It can take you to a lot of fun places like camping, bike riding, or even towing a U-Haul trailer through most of Northern America. Let's go ahead and break this hitch down for you guys. Alright guys, to go ahead and prep for our hitch install, we have to remove this underbody panel here, and in order to do that, we have to remove 6 screws from the lower fascia here, and we got to do that using an 8mm socket. And on the back side here, there are 4 more screws which require a 10mm socket. So now that we got all those screws removed, we're going to go ahead and remove this underbody panel and set it aside because it's not going to be reinstalled later. All right guys, now that we've got that underbody panel out of the way, we're going to go ahead and install the hardware and then install the hitch. To do that, we're going to take the carriage bolt and spacer block as provided, as well as a flange nut. The mounting locations, there's 2 on each side. First attachment point is going to be here, and then the last one's going to be here, this oblong shaped hole. And 2 on the passenger side frame rail. Now we're going to take our provided fish wire and we're going to go through our attachment point here at the rear of the vehicle and come out our access hole towards the front. All right, we're going to go ahead and feed this fish wire through our attachment point towards the front of the vehicle and out the access hole. Then we're going to feed on our carriage bolt and block. And we'll repeat the same process up on the passenger side. All right, now we're going to go ahead and put our hitch into place. Right now I have a U-Haul exclusive hitch jack. If you don't have one, it's a good idea to go ahead and get an extra set of hands to help you get it into place. I want to point out our attachment points. There's one here and one here, and they're identical on both the driver and passenger side. Now that we've got our hitch into place, we're going to go ahead and remove our included fish wire. Now we're going to take our provided flange nuts and attach them to our bolts. And we'll repeat the same process on the passenger side. Now we're going to take our 19mm socket and 5-inch extension, and we're going to go ahead and torque them down to manufacturer specification. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and give you a couple measurements to make selecting a bike rack or ball mount a lot easier. From the ground to the top of the inside of the receiver tube is 10 inches. And from the hitch pin hole to the edge of the bumper is 6 inches. All right guys, that's going to do it for the install on your Ford Fusion. Have fun and be safe.
To learn more about the products seen in this video, or to schedule an installation by a U-Haul Hitch professional, visit us online today at uhaulhitches.com.